Two ways to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you through two ways on how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to turn off vanish mode on Instagram, of course it's very simple to do so, and I'll give you two ways. First of all, let us discuss what is vanish mode. Vanish mode is a type of messages where if you send, it is going to get disappeared right after they view it or right after they exit the chat, and even if they take a screenshot, you'll get notified about it, and that is where if you want to discuss something private, vanish mode comes into play. So for that, you can just tap the DMs icon here, and then you can just go to a certain page. Now let's say you have enabled it. To enable it, you can just tap on it, and then here you can go to privacy and safety, turn on vanish mode, and this is one way which you can use to turn on or off vanish mode, right? The other way you can do this is by simply swiping up. So when you swipe up like this, vanish mode will get successfully enabled. When you swipe up again, vanish mode will get successfully disabled. As you can see here, you'll come back to the main feed. For vanish mode, the theme is also going to darken, so you might want to figure that out. Otherwise, you can just come back and then turn on vanish mode. So these were the two ways on how you can turn on or off vanish mode on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.